Sometimes, we want to blur the background of our videos to create a more professional look or highlight the subject. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily blur your video background using CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing software. Let's get started. First, create a new project in CapCut and import the video you want to blur by using the import option. Once imported, drag the video onto the timeline. At this point, you can also add any voiceover or background music of your choice to enhance your video. Now, select the video on the timeline and make a copy by pressing Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V. Make sure to place the duplicated video directly above the original one. Next, select the video on the bottom timeline, go to the Effects menu, choose Lens, and look for the Blur effect. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the selected bottom video. Now, select the video on the top timeline. On the top right panel, go to the Video menu and choose the Remove Background option. Then, click on Auto Removal. After a few moments, CapCut will automatically remove the background from your selected video. Once the background is removed, preview your video. If you notice any parts that need fine-tuning, like in my case, where the camera stick and phone were also removed, you can fix this using the Custom Removal option to manually adjust the areas. Let's fix it using the Custom Removal option. To do this, go back to the same menu, click on Video, then Remove Background, and select Custom Removal. Now, use the Smart Brush tool to carefully restore or remove specific areas as needed. Once you're done fine-tuning, play the video again. And there you have it. The background is now perfectly removed, and your subject stands out clearly against the blurred background. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.